Welcome to a new vlog, and today we are going to wash a car and we are going to take the seats. So a little business vlog. So this is the car and well, yeah. Well, during the winter in Sweden, well, maybe everywhere, we always get super lots of tar on the car, and that's very annoying because well, you see, it's dirty when it's clean, or well, not clean, but well, I cleaned his carpets, so well, now he doesn't want to have his shoes in the car. Well, what do we think? Is it clean enough? Let him roll out and you can decide. Make a comment. So is it clean enough? And well, yeah, I have merch. Should I start sell them, or what do you think? Leave a comment. Sucker! No, it's dry. Well, the main purpose of the vlog was to well, to clean these seats, and these ones are dirty. So well, we're going to use some all-purpose cleaner. Well, this is my own distillation, and well, we're going to use a, I don't know, wet vacuum? I don't know. Well, it's done. Well, I'm pleased, and well, are you pleased?
Yeah.
Happy? Happy. And my solution for drying the seat is this one, coupe warmer. I think it's called in English. I don't know. You wanna see some nasty stuff? This was inside his seat.
Go!
Nasty. So, now you owe me, well, it's super bright, but well, it says 750 down there. If you like these, well, mini vlogs to well keep you updated and so on. Oops, wrong way. Press the follow button and well, follow button. It's YouTube, so subscribe. Leave a like and well, why not leave a comment? What do you say?
I don't know.